Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your premier guide through the world of real estate and beyond. Here at HouseLux, we are dedicated to providing you with insightful and actionable advice tailored to enhance your real estate knowledge. Today, we're exploring a crucial topic: 5 tactics that keep you moving in the right direction. This discussion isn't just about thriving in the market, it's about enriching your personal journey and professional endeavors. Stay tuned as we dive into these transformative tactics that can steer your life and investments towards success. First up on our list is the power of setting clear goals. Imagine you're a real estate investor and you've set your sights on expanding your portfolio. You decide that within the next year, you want to acquire 5 rental properties. This isn't just any random number. You've chosen it because it aligns perfectly with your financial capabilities and your vision for growth. This is a classic example of a SMART goal: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down, shall we? The goal is specific because it clearly defines the number of properties. It's measurable as each property you acquire gets you one step closer to the 5-property mark. It's achievable because you've assessed your resources and capabilities before setting this number. It's relevant because more properties mean more passive income, which is a direct boost to your investment portfolio. Finally, it's time-bound because you've set a 1-year deadline. Now, having such a clear and structured goal does wonders for your strategy. It helps you focus your efforts and resources. Every decision you make, from the markets you choose to invest in to the types of properties you look for, is driven by this overarching objective. You're not just wandering aimlessly in the vast world of real estate, you're on a mission. This clarity also streamlines your decision-making process. When opportunities arise, you immediately know whether they align with your goal or not. This prevents you from getting sidetracked by attractive yet ultimately unhelpful ventures. Moreover, clear goals provide motivation. Each property purchased is a visible sign of progress, a step closer to your target, which can be incredibly satisfying and motivating. It's like filling in the blanks on a map, each acquisition a landmark in your journey towards real estate success. With a clear destination in mind, your journey becomes much more focused. Tactic number 2 is all about embracing continuous learning. In the dynamic world of real estate, the landscape is ever evolving. Technologies that were cutting edge yesterday might become obsolete tomorrow, and market trends can shift with the wind. To not just survive, but thrive in such an environment, one must commit to continuous learning. Consider the case of a seasoned real estate agent named Sophia. Sophia has been in the industry for over 15 years, yet despite her extensive experience, she never misses an opportunity to learn something new. Every month, without fail, Sophia attends workshops and webinars to refine her selling techniques and deepen her understanding of the current market. Why does she do this? Because Sophia knows that knowledge is power in real estate. By staying updated with the latest technologies like virtual reality home tours or advanced CRM systems, she can offer her clients a smoother, more engaging buying experience. Moreover, understanding the subtle shifts in market trends allows her to advise her clients more accurately, helping them to make informed decisions. But continuous learning isn't just about attending formal training sessions. It involves a mindset of curiosity and a proactive approach to education. Reading industry publications, participating in online forums, and even listening to podcasts during her commute are all part of Sophia's strategy to stay ahead of the curve. This approach has tangible benefits. Agents like Sophia, who invest time in continuous learning, often outperform their peers. They are quicker to adapt to new regulations, more adept at using new tools, and better prepared to meet their clients' needs in a changing market. So how can you incorporate continuous learning into your daily routine? Start by setting aside time each week to focus on your professional development. Whether it's an online course, a workshop, or simply reading the latest news on real estate, make learning a consistent part of your career strategy. Remember, in a rapidly changing world, the learners inherit the earth. Moving on to our 3rd tactic, networking effectively. In the world of real estate and beyond, the strength of your network can often determine the height of your success. Networking isn't just about collecting contacts, it's about building meaningful relationships that can provide support, insights, and open doors to new opportunities. Imagine a real estate developer, let's call her Sarah. Sarah attends a national real estate development conference armed with business cards and a keen interest in sustainable building practices. At one of the panel discussions, she strikes up a conversation with another attendee who just so happens to be looking for partners in a large-scale green development project. This chance meeting, fueled by their shared interest in sustainability, leads to a partnership. Months later, Sarah's firm secures a lucrative deal to develop an eco-friendly residential complex. This isn't just serendipity, it's strategic networking paying off. But how does one network effectively? It starts with being genuinely interested in the people you meet. Listen more than you speak, and when you do talk, make sure it adds value to the conversation. Attend industry events, not just to hand out business cards, but to learn, to contribute, and to understand the needs and challenges of others in your field. Moreover, in today's digital age, networking extends well beyond face-to-face interactions. Platforms like LinkedIn are invaluable. They allow you to maintain connections and share your achievements and expertise with a broader audience. Remember, consistent engagement is key. Comment on posts, share relevant articles, and congratulate your connections on their successes. Each interaction helps to strengthen your relationships and increase your visibility in the industry. Effective networking is also about reciprocity. Be ready to help others. Whether it's providing advice, referring a contact, or sharing an opportunity, your willingness to assist will often be reciprocated. It's not just about who you know, it's about who knows you and what you can do. Our fourth tactic is maintaining financial discipline. In the realm of real estate, where fortunes can be made and lost in a single deal, the importance of financial discipline cannot be overstated. It's the bedrock upon which successful investing careers are built. Let's start with budgeting. It's more than just tracking expenses. Effective budgeting in real estate involves understanding the full scope of potential costs and revenues from property investments. This means not only accounting for the purchase price and potential selling price, but also the ongoing maintenance expenses, property taxes, and even the occasional unexpected repairs. By keeping a detailed budget, you ensure that no expense slips through the cracks, preserving your profit margins. Moving on to saving, think of it as your financial safety net. In real estate, market conditions can shift rapidly. A robust savings account allows you to weather periods of market downturn without the need to liquidate your investments in a panic. It provides a cushion that can help cover property expenses during tenant vacancies or enable you to make improvements that increase property values and rental income. Now let's talk about investing wisely. This involves choosing the right properties at the right time, but also knowing how much leverage to use. Consider the story of a seasoned investor who nearly lost everything by over-leveraging. They purchased several properties with minimal down payments, banking heavily on market appreciation. However, when the market took a downturn, they were unable to cover mortgage payments on all properties and faced significant losses. From this, learn the critical lesson of always having a financial buffer. Instead of maxing out credit lines and loans, smart investors maintain a level of financial leverage that allows them to stay agile, enabling them to capitalize on new opportunities without being overextended. Financial discipline ensures you're always ready to seize opportunities without risking it all. It's about making calculated decisions, understanding the full financial landscape of your investments, and always preparing for the unexpected. Keep this tactic close, and you'll find your path in real estate investment much smoother and more profitable. Our final tactic to keep you moving in the right direction is adaptability. In the ever-evolving world of real estate, the ability to pivot and adjust your strategies in response to market changes is not just beneficial, it's essential. Adaptability means staying open to new information and being prepared to shift gears when the current plan isn't yielding the expected results. Consider the story of a mid-sized real estate company that traditionally focused on commercial properties. As market dynamics shifted, with a growing demand for residential spaces and a dip in commercial rentals, they quickly recognized the need for change. This company made a decisive pivot, shifting their focus from commercial to residential rentals. The result? They not only survived a potentially devastating downturn, but also thrived, expanding their portfolio and market presence. Being adaptable in the real estate market requires a keen eye for trends and anomalies. It means constantly evaluating the economic indicators, consumer behavior, and industry shifts. It's about making informed decisions quickly and being courageous enough to step out of comfort zones. Moreover, adaptability isn't just about big shifts, it's also in the small adjustments. Maybe it's tweaking a marketing strategy, adopting new technologies, or even reevaluating property portfolios. Each of these can significantly influence your direction and success. In conclusion, being adaptable in your strategy ensures that you can thrive in any market condition. It's about being proactive, not just reactive, allowing you to navigate through uncertainties with confidence and agility. We've covered 5 essential tactics today that can help steer any real estate enthusiast in the right direction. From setting clear goals and embracing continuous learning to networking effectively, maintaining financial discipline, and staying adaptable, these strategies are foundational. Apply them diligently to both your personal and professional journeys. Witness how they transform challenges into stepping stones toward success. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more guidance and tips. Until next time, keep moving in the right direction.